Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and share my channel with your friends and family. Today I will share with you reviews and all the parts about the survey time which I received a request from Alexa Mercado, and I received an email from surveytime.io. This is the mail, and here it is only for desktop consumer survey. And take the survey, click on take the survey. Now start the survey here, and first question is appear: which of the following social media platform do you use? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, and click on next. Continue. Here another question appear: how many balls do you think are in the photo? I think it is near about 360 balls. Okay, click on 360, then next. Another question is fill in the blanks with correct. Please select the correct word to complete the sentence below. Here, can you hear with what he say? What he is speaking? Yes. Can you hear what he is speaking? I think this is right. And I only made one mistake on yesterday's exam. This is past tense, so I think it is made. Now redirect me. We do not have $1 survey available for you right now. Are you willing to participate in 50-cent easier survey? Click on yes. This show me unfortunately you are not able to complete the survey. All the time when I attend the survey on surveytime.io, they show me this message, and I receive so many emails to take a survey, but I have not received any money to take a survey. This site, I think this site is not for Indian, so don't waste your time in this site or don't take any survey in this site. I think so. Thank you so much. Please share and like my video.